Awesome. This question is like a merry-go-round. The numbers from 1 to 10 have been placed in small circles, one in each number. So they have placed one number each in a circle. Numbers in any two neighboring circles must have the same sum in two diametrically opposite circles. So diametrically opposite means this is the diameter of a circle. Opposite to 5 is 10. Opposite to 1 is an empty circle. Opposite to 9 is an empty circle. Okay. Some of the numbers are already placed. What would you place in the circle with a question mark? Now, the condition is that if I have 9 and 5 together, the diametrically opposite to that, opposite to 9 is this, and opposite to 5 is 10. So the sum means adding 9 plus 5 should be equal to adding 10 plus something. 10 plus something is equal to 9 plus 5, which is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So that is what will go in here. Now, let's say I'm doing 5 plus something, and it needs to be equal to the opposite ones, which in this case are 10 and 1. 10 and 1 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now, let's do another one. We have 6 and 2, right? Opposite to 6 is 1. Opposite to 2 is something else, right? So 6 plus 2 is 8. And 1 plus 7 is 8. So we put 7 over there. Now, kind of reaching close here. I have 7 plus question mark. The opposite to that is 2 and a blank number. So let's see what numbers I'm left with. I have 1, 2. I don't have 3 in my merry-go-round already. 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have 8 either. So either 3 or 8 needs to go in my box here, like my question mark here. I know 2 plus 8 is 10, and I know 3 plus 7 is 10. That works. My answer is 8. If I were to think of 7 plus 8, that gives me 15, but 2 plus 3 doesn't give me 15, right? So that's why 3 cannot go in here. It needs to be in the question mark piece. Okay.